If you're seeing the AnyDesk error desk RT32, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get AnyDesk working again. This is one of those errors that can look complicated, but in most cases, it comes down to a Windows time issue, a firewall block, or security software interfering with the connection. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check and how to fix it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is update your Windows date and time, because if your system clock is incorrect, AnyDesk can fail to connect properly. To do that, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the clock in the taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. This opens the Windows date and time settings, where you'll want to turn on set time automatically. Once that option is enabled, click Sync now to force Windows to refresh the time immediately. After that, give it a few seconds and then try opening AnyDesk again. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem because secure connections depend on your device having the correct time and date. If the error is still showing up, the next thing to check is your firewall. Sometimes Windows Defender Firewall or a strict network profile can block AnyDesk from communicating properly, especially if you're on a public network or your firewall settings were changed recently. To fix that, press the Windows key and search for Windows Defender Firewall, then open it from the results. On the left side of the window, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This section lets you control which apps are allowed to communicate through the firewall. Next, click Change Settings so you can edit the app permissions. After that, look through the list for AnyDesk. If you find it, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are ticked. This is important because if one of those boxes is unchecked, AnyDesk may work on one network but fail on another. If AnyDesk is not listed at all, you may need to allow it manually through the firewall settings before trying again. Once that's done, close the window and test AnyDesk one more time. If the connection still fails, your antivirus software may be interfering. Some antivirus programs are very aggressive and can block remote access tools even when they're safe. Temporarily turning off your antivirus can help you confirm whether that's the cause. Open your antivirus application, find the real-time protection or shield settings, and temporarily disable it. Then launch AnyDesk and see if the error goes away. If it does, you found the cause, and you can go back later and add AnyDesk as an exception or trusted app instead of leaving your antivirus off permanently. Just remember, only disable security software briefly while testing and turn it back on right after. At this point, you should have checked the main causes of Desk RT32, your system time, your firewall permissions, and your antivirus. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue and get your remote connection working normally again. If you're still having trouble after trying all of these steps, restart your PC and AnyDesk one more time because a clean reboot can sometimes apply the changes properly. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the AnyDesk error desk RT32 quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to fixes and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.